Hello, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be making a quick and simple but super tasty appetizer or a treat, a snack, call them what you will, but we're going to make some bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. And these are really simple, but if you are making them for a party or if you're entertaining some friends, these will go down a treat because they're not overly hot because it's a jalapeno rather than a really fiery pepper, but they're full on flavour and they're really easy to make. So the first thing we need to do, we need to combine 2 tablespoons of our shredded cheese with 2 tablespoons of our cream cheese. So take a guess. So this is what we're dealing with. When we've mixed it together, we've got a mixture of cream cheese, cheddar cheese, and that is going to be the filling for our poppers. Next thing we need to do is a dangerous bit. We need to cut these into half and we need to remove the seeds. So if you have got sensitive skin, you might want to wear some gloves for this or get someone else to do it. So once we've got our seeds out, we can take a teaspoon and we fill the poppers with our cheese mixture, but don't overfill it because these have got to, as I said, these have got to go back together. When all your poppers are filled with your cheese mixture, we go ahead, reassemble them. Take a piece of bacon, slice of bacon. I'm using a smoked bacon. Roll them up and they go onto our baking tray. We've got a bit of cream cheese left, like I have, and you've got a gap, a hole in the top. Fill it up. So once you've got your poppers wrapped up like this and on your baking tray, they want to go into a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit, which is 200 Celsius, for about 30 to 35 minutes until the bacon's cooked. Obviously, if you've got small jalapenos, they're going to take a little bit less. If you've got quite large ones like these, they might take a bit longer, so we'll see. When the bacon's cooked, you allow the poppers to cool a little bit, and I am going to serve, well, I'm going to eat mine with a little bit of blue cheese dip, but whatever you fancy, barbecue sauce, a garlic aioli, whatever. I think it's going to taste great.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión.